Do that again. Nice big long inhale. And just exhale all the way out. And then take your wonderful intention to take the busyness of our mind. I love our brains. They're awesome. They also can sometimes cause a little bit of busyness that can be a little stressful. So take all of it. Imagine it's kind of like a big beehive of activity up by your head. Taking a big inhale. And on the exhale, just imagine pulling all of that energy from the head way down into the area of the heart. And you can have your eyes opened or downcast or closed. And just invite your awareness into the body for a minute. Mindfulness teachers a lot of times talk about how we can live a whole day kind of not even here in us. So just notice that. Take a minute, big inhale. And let the eyes float open again.